Hi, my name is Dr. Shell, also known as Dr. Test Prep. Welcome to my ASVAB AFQT YouTube prep on drtestprep.com. If you don't have the free book, the link is in the description. It's over 200 pages. There is also a paid version, and you'll see a little information about it at the end of this video. It's only 49 bucks, and half of the money goes to nonprofits. So stay tuned. We're going to be talking about supporting detail. With supporting details, we want to make sure, does this piece of information best support the main idea? What's the most relevant, the most important, what supports it the strongest? And again, we're really just building up our reading skills. So my role as your teacher is to really help you go from the ground up so that you feel the most confident when you get to the AFQT level questions. So looking at the steps to do this, we're going to read the paragraph. First, we have to determine what the main idea is. And so if you notice in the main idea, the last couple of questions, I would write, no, this is the main idea. What's the supporting detail? Then we're going to look for specific information. And I like this: facts, examples, or descriptions that are specifically related to the main idea. Anything that doesn't clearly support the main idea is something that we throw away. All right, the school introduced a mentorship program pairing older students with younger students to provide academic support and guidance. While some participants initially joined for extra credit, many continued because they found the experience valuable. Teachers also reported improved confidence among the younger students. So some students joined the program to earn extra credit. That's a detail. Is it the best detail to the main idea? Probably not. Teachers noticed increased confidence in younger students. The program paired older students with younger students, and participants found the experience valuable enough to continue. So I would say that the main idea about this is the mentorship program, and perhaps the best supporting detail would be that participants found the experience valuable enough to continue, because that really says, they might have joined for extra credit, but they kept going, and the younger students also found value in it. So that's best supports the main idea of that a mentorship program was started between older students and younger students. A local farmer began using drip irrigation to conserve water and improve crop yields. Although the system required an initial investment, water usage decreased significantly and plant growth became more consistent across the fields. So the main idea is this farmer added drip irrigation to conserve water. That's the main idea. But what best supports it? Did the system require an initial investment? Yes. Is that the best supporting detail? No. The farmer changed irrigation methods. To me, that's more of the main idea-ish, just not written strongly. Water usage decreased and crop growth improved. That's probably the best supporting detail. The farmer put it in, and because he put it in, water usage decreased, crop growth improved. The company implemented flexible scheduling to improve employee satisfaction. Over time, employees reported a better work-life balance and increased productivity, though some departments needed to adjust workflows. I feel like the sun is impacting my face, but y'all can handle it. All right, which statement best supports the main idea? So flexible scheduling is the main idea. What best supports it? Did some departments need to adjust it? Yes, but that doesn't really support the main idea. Employees reported better balance and productivity? Yes. The main idea is that company introduced flexible scheduling, and the work schedules impacted it. Give me 1 second to adjust. Okay, I think we're good. So if you have been watching the Unit 2 and 3 videos, I told you yesterday that I'm at a campground in Texas. So I want to keep an eye on the water because there's an alligator about 30 feet away, and I'm not kidding. He has been basking in the sun and opening his mouth all day. Random piece of information. Let's move on. A teacher incorporated project-based learning in her classroom, allowing students to explore topics through hands-on activities. As a result, students became more engaged and demonstrated a deeper understanding of the material. Which detail best supports the main idea? So the main idea is project-based learning in the classroom. Students explore topics through hands-on activities. Maybe. The teacher changed her instructional approach. That would probably be the main idea. Students showed greater engagement and understanding. I would say that that would be the best supporting detail, okay? Is it a fact that students used hands-on learning? Yes, but the best support for the main idea is that students showed greater engagement. The city renovated a neglected park by adding playground equipment, planting trees, and creating walking paths. After the renovation, more families began visiting and community events increased. So the park had been neglected. True. Playground equipment and walking paths are added. True. More families visited and events increased. That's the best supporting detail from what the city's work is on. The athlete improved her performance by focusing on strength training, endurance, and recovery. Over the season, her times improved and she experienced fewer injuries. So the athlete followed a structured training plan. That's more the main idea. Strength training was part of the routine. That's a fact. Her performance improved and injuries decreased. This is the best supporting detail. All right. So now again, we're looking at relevant stuff. So just make sure that removing details that are true, but only loosely connected. So we really want what's the best almost solution to what's happening. The city expanded public transportation options to reduce traffic congestion and improve accessibility. While several routes were added, the most noticeable change was the increase in ridership during peak hours. Surveys also showed that commuters were more satisfied with their travel time. So several new routes were added. This is more like the main idea of what happened. Ridership increased significantly during peak hours. Maybe. Surveys were conducted among commuters. No. Public transportation has been used. No. So this was the main idea, A, but our answer is B. Ridership increased significantly during peak hours on public transportation. A teacher introduced daily writing exercises to help her students improve their skills. Although some of the assignments were brief, students began organizing their ideas more clearly and writing with greater confidence. Let me switch. There we go. Which detail is the best thing? So some assignments were short. Students practiced writing every day. That's kind of the main idea. Students showed clearer organization and greater confidence. Yeah, that's the best supporting detail for them writing every day. The company updated its customer service system to respond more quickly to injuries. While the change required staff training, response times decreased. Oh, why did I say injuries? Inquiries. This is what I get for reading fast. I'm like, what does staff training have to do with injuries? Response times decreased and customer complaints are resolved more efficiently. So the main idea is that there was a new customer service system. So the best supporting detail to that is staff needed training. That's just a fact. It's a detail, but not the best supporting. Response times decreased and issues are resolved more efficiently. That's the best thing that supports putting in the new customer service system. A local park added fitness equipment to walking trails to encourage healthier lifestyles. Although upgrades took several months to complete, most residents began using the park regularly. So there's an update to a local park. That's the main idea. What's the best supporting detail to that? The upgrades took several months. That's a fact, but not the best supporting detail. Fitness equipment was installed. Fact. More residents began using the park regularly. Boom. Best supporting fact. Walking trails were added for visitors. Give me a break. All right. The research study examined how sleep affects memory retention. Participants who maintained consistent sleep schedules performed better on recall tasks than those with irregular sleep patterns. So there was a sleep study on retention. What best supports the use of the sleep study? The focused on memory retention. That's the main idea. Participants completed recall tasks. That's just a fact. Consistent sleep schedules led to better performance. That best supports the main idea. The school implemented a new science curriculum that emphasized hands-on experiments. While some materials needed to be updated, students became more engaged and demonstrated improved understanding of key concepts. So the main idea is the school did a new science program that was hands-on. So some materials need to be updated. That's a fact, but that's not what we need. Students showed greater engagement and understanding. Yes, that's the best result of the curriculum being added. Okay, oh, this looks like that page. I have a lot of underlining to deal with. All right, the district introduced a year-round tutoring program designed to support struggling students. That's our main idea. While attendance varied at first, those who attended consistently showed measurable gains on assessments. Some teachers noted improved classroom participation, though others questioned the program reached enough students to justify its costs. So what's most supports the main idea? Attendance varied during early stages. Fact, not supports. Some teachers questioned whether the program was cost effective. Fact, not supports. Students who attended consistently showed measurable academic gains. Yes, that's the best supporting detail to the main idea. A company shifted to a 4-day work week to improve employee well-being and productivity. Although some deadlines required adjustment, most teams reported completing tasks more efficiently and employee satisfaction increased. A few managers remained concerned about long-term sustainability. So 4-day work week is our main idea, which best supports the idea of a 4-day work week. Some deadlines had to be adjusted to fit the new schedule. That's a fact, but not the best supporting detail. Teams completed tasks more efficiently and satisfaction increased. That's our best supporting detail. A few managers questioned it. That's a fact. A company reduced the work week to 4 days, also a fact, but not the best supporting comment to the main idea. The study installed energy-efficient streetlights to reduce the costs and environmental impact. While the initial installation required significant investment, energy usage decreased and maintenance needs became less frequent over time. Some residents also commented on improved nighttime visibility. So, the installation required a significant upfront investment. That's a fact, but not a great supporting detail. Residents noticed improved visibility at night. I would say probably that one. Let's see. Energy usage decreased and maintenance needs were reduced. That's also a good one. The city replaced older streetlights with new ones would be the main idea. I would say this is the better one because of the word some. So I would say C is the best answer. Although B is there, only some residents noticed the improvement, but for sure energy usage went down and for sure maintenance needs became less frequent. A teacher incorporated more discussion-based learning to encourage critical thinking. Although some students were hesitant to participate at first, over time they began contributing more thoughtful responses and engaging more deeply with the material. Test scores showed moderate improvements as well. So, more discussion-based learning. There was hesitation, but overall it worked out. It was good. So some students were hesitant. That's a fact, but not the best supporting fact for what discussion-based learning is about. Students gave more thoughtful responses and engaged more deeply, potentially. Test scores improved. Yeah, this was an as well to me afterthought, so we wouldn't include it. And then teacher changed the approach is more like the main idea of what actually happened. And the organization launched a community outreach initiative to increase local involvement. While early participation was limited, attendance at events grew steadily, and more volunteers began contributing regularly. Feedback from participants also became more positive over time. So early participation is limited, true, but does that support the main idea? No. Attendance increased and volunteer improvement grew. That's potentially a good supporting detail. Feedback from participants improved over time. Yes. Organization created a new outreach. That's more the main idea. B is the better answer because it addresses two concepts, whereas C only addresses one. Researchers studied the effects of exercise on cognitive performance. Participants who engaged in regular physical activity performed better on memory and problem-solving tasks, although research results varied slightly depending on intensity levels. Some participants also reported improved mood. So results varied depending on exercise intensity. That's this little piece here, so I'm not sure that we want that. Participants reported improved mood. That's also a fact. Is that the best supporting detail of the cognitive performance? No. Regular exercise improved memory and problem-solving performance. Yes, that's the best supporting detail to the letter D that researchers examined cognitive performance. All right, our next topic is about text organization. We got this. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. The full course with another 700 questions and video answers is available at heydrtestprep.com for only $49 to get ready for the AFQT. Half of all proceeds support nonprofit initiatives with at least $10 of your purchase supporting troops and veterans. All right, bye guys. We got this.